I used to think my dream home had to be impressive. When I was younger, I imagined a spacious living room, a study area of my own, a beautiful kitchen island. I wanted everything I thought was pretty back then: bold, eye-catching, extravagant. But as I grew older and life became busier, my perspective shifted. The hustle and bustle made me crave something different. I no longer wanted loud wallpapers or oversized chandeliers. Instead, I found myself drawn to neutral tones, soft lighting, and spaces that felt calm and uncluttered. I thought that because I knew what I wanted, designing my home would be easy. I couldn't have been more wrong. Renovation was overwhelming. Floor plans had to be redesigned, contractors coordinated, budgets calculated, timelines managed. Every decision felt critical. And while juggling a full-time job, I quickly realized I wasn't equipped to handle everything on my own. I needed help. But engaging an interior designer felt risky. I had heard the horror stories: hidden costs revealed halfway through, projects dragging on for months, final results that didn't live up to expectations. Some firms advertised attractive package prices, only to introduce additional charges after contracts were signed. I didn't want to spend months anticipating the outcome, only to feel disappointed. I was also very clear about the style I wanted: minimalism. To me, minimalism isn't just about having fewer things. It's about balance, where aesthetics meet functionality, where every element serves a purpose. Achieving that balance requires true understanding. So I began my search carefully. Coming from a digital advertising background, I knew that popularity doesn't always equal quality. The firms that appear first are often the ones spending the most on marketing. I didn't want hype, I wanted substance. I read independent reviews, studied portfolios, compared styles. Some were too expensive, others simply didn't resonate with me. And then I came across the Minimalist Society. I stumbled upon their YouTube videos while searching for minimalist home inspiration. What caught my attention wasn't just their Scandinavian and Muji-inspired homes, it was how thoughtfully they spoke about minimalism. They shared insights on creating intentional spaces, maintaining simplicity, and decluttering with purpose. It wasn't just about design, it was about mindset. I found myself binge-watching their videos, slowly understanding not just what they do, but why they do it. Still, I did my homework. I explored their website, social media platforms, and review sites to hear directly from past clients. The feedback was consistent professionalism, transparency, quality workmanship. That was when I decided to book an appointment. On the way to their studio, I felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. This could finally be the beginning of my dream home. When I stepped into their office, it felt exactly like their designs: calm, warm, intentional. Soft tones, natural textures, greenery placed thoughtfully around the space. I immediately felt at ease. During our discussion, they listened carefully. They asked about my lifestyle, my daily routines, what mattered most to me. They showed me real project photos, not just 3D renderings, which gave me confidence in their workmanship and honesty. I shared my budget concerns openly. Instead of dismissing them, they reassured me that the quotation would be tailored to my requirements, and that we could refine the scope if needed. There was no pressure, just clarity and assurance. When I walked out of that meeting, I felt something I hadn't felt throughout my renovation journey: certainty. As the renovation progressed, that confidence only grew. Every inquiry was handled promptly and transparently. They explained the rationale behind each design decision and guided me patiently through material and color selections. When everything was finally completed, I stepped into a space that felt exactly right. Clean, calm, functional. The carpentry was precise. The color palette flowed seamlessly from room to room. Every piece of furniture complemented the design instead of overwhelming it. More importantly, the space felt like me. Looking back, the journey from feeling overwhelmed and uncertain to finally living in my dream home has been incredibly meaningful. The Minimalist Society didn't just design a house, they helped me create a home built on intention, simplicity, and trust. Because creating a home isn't about filling every corner. It's about knowing what truly matters and designing around it. And sometimes, the most beautiful spaces are the ones that leave room to breathe.